Chapter 3: How Your Environment Shapes Your Habits. Imagine trying to eat healthy with a plate of cookies on your desk, or trying to focus while your phone buzzes every 3 minutes, or trying to exercise when your running shoes are buried in the back of the closet. It's not a matter of willpower, it's a matter of design. The most successful people aren't superhuman, they're architects of their environment. The rest? Victims of it. If you want to master microhabits, you must learn one of the most powerful secrets of behavior change. Your environment silently shapes 90% of your actions. Why willpower is overrated. Most people think they fail because they lack willpower. But studies show that willpower is a limited resource, easily exhausted by stress, fatigue, and emotion. Environment, on the other hand, doesn't get tired. When your surroundings are aligned with your goals, success becomes automatic. When they're misaligned, failure becomes inevitable. No matter how strong your initial resolve, environment trumps intention. Always. The invisible forces at play. Every object around you acts as a trigger. Every sound, every smell, every sight quietly nudges you toward certain behaviors. A bright phone screen? Check messages. A TV remote on the couch? Watch a show. A notebook and pen on the table? Start writing. We respond instinctively to what's easiest, closest, and most visible. Micro habits succeed when the environment is engineered to make the next tiny move so obvious, so frictionless, that you almost stumble into progress. Designing your environment for micro success. Here's the simple formula. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits hard. Practical micro design tips. Visibility. Place visual cues where you'll see them. Example. Want to drink more water? Put a glass on your desk. Accessibility. Make the right